Hi, in this video I will explain how to work with the Cashdesk module of Splynx. Cashdesk module is a standalone application which is part of Splynx also, and it's used for receiving payments. In the Cashdesk you can add the administrator, and this administrator will have access only to payments, so he will not be able to change the customer's data and settings of Splynx, but he will just receive and process the payments. So let's create this administrator. His name will be CashNew. This is the password. I will add his full name and some test email, and I enable the Cashdesk for him. I'll put the credit or deposit. It depends if he pays me in advance or I just give him a credit. So the credit will be $5,000, for example, and when he reaches this limit I'll have to top it up again. Add. There is a one I'm using already, this email, so let me change it to test2. Okay, so the administrator was added, CashNew, and now let's find some customer and process the payment for him. So there is a customer, Alex Cherry, with a service of $200 per month, and his deposit or the balance is minus $20 at the moment because he has an invoice for $20. I want to pay this invoice from Cashdesk, and this will be paid by administrator CashNew. So let's log in to the Cashdesk as a CashNew password. So that's the application. I can find the name of customer or the number of invoice. If I type the Alex Cherry, I have 3 accounts for this customer, so probably the better way is to find the invoice. Let me find the invoice ID. So that's the invoice ID which is unpaid, and I want to pay this invoice from Cashdesk. So it found my login, and here is the invoice of amount of $20. Let's put $20 and put a comment that it was paid in office in cash. Payment in office. Add it, and when I add it, the balance immediately changed to 0 for that customer and the invoice was paid. In my balance I can see that from 5,000 of my credit it was reduced to 4,980, and in my history I can see all the payments which were processed by the CashNew administrator. Also, there is a availability to print the payment receipt. Okay, let's go back to Splynx and check what happened here. When I refresh, I see that my invoice was already paid, and here one payment was added to the system and one new transaction was created. So this is the transaction for a cash payment, and of course the balance of customer changed from minus 20 to 0. That's all from my side about the Cashdesk module. Thank you for your time.